All right, lock them up, baby.
Go.
Right. Good job, Chris.
Push up.
Good job, Christian.
Push up. Thank you.
All right. Now we get to do unlock your wheel.